Guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to delete your Google Chrome history. It's very simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's begin. And first of all, just simply open up your Google Chrome app, and then after that just simply tap at these two dots in the top right corner and tap at history. So here it'll show all of your browsing history. You can clear it one by one just like that, or you can tap at clear browsing data. Let me show it to you clearly. Just simply tap over there, clear browsing data, just like that. And here you can set the time range from here, which you can see that. Just simply tap on it, and you can select the time. It's 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time, or whatever. It's depend on you. Here you can select the options you want to also delete password which you have saved, or sites, or just simply browsing history. If you want to delete only browsing history, just simply tick on this tick box just like that. If you also want to delete cookies or cache or whatever, and just simply select those options which you want to delete, and after that just simply tap at clear data and tap at clear. It will just take a while. Here you can see we have just clear our browsing data on like history of Google Chrome. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I'll get you on the next video. Thanks guys. And if you think that this video helped you and you learn how to do your Google Chrome history, so then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Goodbye till the next video, and do not forget to check the latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys.